The video on the left has gone viral, and we break down the misconception. Let's compare the viral video to another 10-second truck. Let's break it down in slow motion. On the initial hit, the truck's axle points right, forcing the truck to point left. The rear axle is still pointed to the right as the front wheel is pointed right. No more tire spin, no more tire tracks. Truck is still pointed to the left. Crab walk the rest of the way down the track without tire marks. Let's look at that second truck. Obviously a lot of tire spin, but the truck is still pointed straight. You can hear the high RPMs hitting the limiter as he shifts early. That's tire spin. Two 10-second trucks, two different results.